Voices in the chamber.
Truth can't hide.
Peace still answer. You smile in my face, but your heart run cold. Whisper my name, try to bury my soul. Set little traps in the path I walk. Throw silent stones, never speak it out. But I see clear through the smoke and lights. No need for rage, no need disguise. Every move you're making, the night so dark, still can't escape that inner spark.
I know your ways, I know your game,
but I won't answer fire
with flame.
what you send out.
Come back again.
So I free my heart from the chain.
Assalamu alaikum.
Peace be upon you, even when you try break what's true.
Assalamu alaikum.
I send light when you send doom.
Assalamu alaikum.
Peace be upon you, in a world where the hate got through.
Assalamu alaikum.
Still I rise, still I choose you. Seat on land, seat in the street. Brother turn rival over fame and greed. Keyboard war, no face,
No name,
digital fire, just fuel it.
the flame.
Nation divide by the words they spin. Truth get lost in the noise within. But the same sunrise on every land. Still we bleed when we don't understand.
Peace, peace, peace be upon you,
No one
within you.
drop the earth, lift the soul, make it all. I won't trade my life for your dark intent. No vengeance path where my steps get bent. Just see all and the time reveal every hidden hand, every silent deal. So I plant good seeds in the broken ground. Let the truth grow strong without a sound. You can dig a pit, but I won't fall in. Grace lift me where your head began.
Assalamu alaikum.
Peace be upon you, from the hills to the avenue.
Assalamu alaikum.
Let the healing start with you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Peace be upon you, through the pressure and the global view.
Assalamu alaikum.
One love still carry through. To the one who wronged me, I answer peace, not weakness, but strength.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Give thanks, give thanks. From the old road to the new day, same Jah, same light.
Forever grateful,
We give thanks
we give thanks.
through the struggle.
Still we chant,
Still we chant.
still we chant.
Oh. Yeah. From the ashes of the days gone by, we step in the dawn with a watchful eye. 70s fire still burn within. Now a new time start, let the praise begin. Through the trials and the chains we bore, still we standing, still wanting more. Not for riches nor vanity, but for truth, love and dignity. Babylon our retreat. We plant good seed in the concrete. Through every storm we testify. Jah give the strength, we multiply. Forever grateful, we sing to Jah. From near and far, just as we are. Lift up the sufferers, heal the scars. One love shining like the morning star. Forever grateful, hearts made clean. Forgive the past, live righteously. From every land across the sea, repatriating unity. See the world through a glowing screen. Truth get lost in the in-between. Voices loud but the hearts feel weak. Too much talking, not enough seek. Nation fight over power and pride. Families break with the truth denied. Still the poor man bear the weight, while the system manipulate. But shall I know them no faith? Even in this digital age, ancient wisdom still remain. Guide the soul through fear and pain. Give thanks, for life, life. Give thanks through the strife. Unity is the key. The key set us free. Call the children back to the land. Not just soil, but a righteous stand. Repatriation of the mind and soul. Breaking the chains, becoming whole. No hatred glow where love reside. No need to run, no need to hide. Forgiveness strong like a rooted tree. That's the path to liberty. Forever grateful, we sing to Jah. Through every wound and every scar. Lift up the sufferers where they are. One love shining like a burning star. Forever grateful, voices raised through the nights and brighter days. In every tongue, in every way. Give thanks, we pray. Praise is power, gratitude is strength. And in the face of pressure, we answer with thanks. Yeah, man. Lie slow, reading my, you see it. Yeah, man. Me fall in a vibe with the lady in red on the floor. Something about your eyes and your lips, me want more. Body and move like you feel every groove. To the reggae and the blues, girl, you smooth how you move. Every little step got the whole place locked. Like the rhythm in your soul never stop. From your waistline roll to the way you glide. Music and your spirit just a link up inside. You twist and turn, wine slow to the beat. Move like samba in a island heat. Me can't stop, watch me there, you're so amazed. Every little motion got me lost in the haze. I the rum, I the song, I the way the DJ keep it play all night long. How about you, girl? Oh, you move so free, got me lost in the moment like a destiny. Lady in red, come close, I no shy. Make the rhythm take control, make your body reply. Even if I want dance, that's enough for me. Just for share one moment in your energy. Maybe you just confidence the pain away. Left all of your worries in every move you display. But me see deeper than the eye can show. Every liquid drop of sweat got a story me know. Late night vibe, but the spirit still strong. Like you carry every load for too long, but the night you're free. Let the music speak. Every step you take got the healing piece by piece. You twist and turn like time stand still. Every move connect with the way me feel. Me day I watch, but my mind drift far. Tryna read the truth of who you really are. I the rum, I the song, I the way the DJ keep it played all night long. How about you, girl? Oh, you move so free, got me lost in the moment like a destiny. your name right now. Just make the music show yo. One step closer, feel the vibe. Make the rhythm bring we soul alive. No past, no future, just this sound. Heartbeat link as we spin around. If tomorrow never come away, still we got this dance ever stay. I the rum, I the song. How the way the DJ keep it play all night long. Alright you girl, oh you move so free. Got me lost in the moment like a destiny. Lady in red, now we move as one. Under the lights till the night done. Yeah. Even if you're gone with the morning sun, let me remember this dance when the night done. Story I love to know, but me not sure if them clean. Met this London girl in a Notting Hill carnival. Say she love the hard man, love the island feel. Accent sweet, so she pull me close. Say she know his style from coast to coast. Just on some vibes, start talk wild, but the thing she know. Say the hard man, always steal the show. Me raise my bro, like hold on now. Who teach you that? Better tell me how. She laugh and sip, then she lean real near. Say, everyone you see him out here. Me step back quick at to check that claim. Cause she calling out the whole man name. If I saw the car go around these days, then who start up all them ways? Me hear one thing, she swear it's true. Now me stuck like, ooh, fool, ooh. Call me the London girl, reputation loud, but the truth stay low. Everybody talking but nobody know. Reputation loud, yeah the stories grow. But who said the thing, no one for know. Say one thing then another show. What a typical London girl. Man say no, but the girl say yo. But the girl say yo. Touchdown tower of London, same story repeat. Different gal but the same old speech. Said she date one man from Kingston side. Big stage performer with a worldwide vibe. Said behind the scenes, him different still. Not just lyrics, him got extra skill. Me nearly choke when she call out name. Cause a whole next level she start proclaim. Laugh it off but she stand her ground. Said the hard man never turn that down. I'm pretty hard, can't lie no more. Too much witness if you ignore the score. From London town to Jamaican shore. Same old story, can't ignore. If every girl got the same review, then something there we missing too. Call me the London girl, reputation low, but the truth stay low. Everybody talking but nobody know. Reputation loud, yeah the stories grow. But who said the thing, no one fi know. Say one thing then another show. What a typical London girl. Man say no, but the girl say oh. Flew to Barbados, met a southern queen. Smile so bright, yeah you know what I mean. She said she wants to take a trip out west. Caribbean sun, yeah she love that best. And she grin like she know my mind. Say don't pretend, don't waste my time. Startless stories left and right, like she collecting tales every single night. Now my past start laugh inside, cause every girl got the same guideline. Either man them while the tales get spun, but either way this you're far from done. Is it high? Is it fame? Is it culture? Take the blame. Is it truth or just a game? Why every story sound the same? Call me the London girl, reputation loud, but the truth stay low. Everybody talking but nobody know. Reputation loud, yeah the stories grow. But who said the thing, no one fi know. Say one thing then another show. What a typical London girl. Man say no, but the girl say oh. Hey yo, all for them London girls.
From the hill where the ancestors
but somebody definitely a talk too much.
to the streets where the youth still wander. Hear this. Long before the city lights glow bright, we were walking barefoot in the morning light. Grandfather's voice in the breeze still say, hold firm, child, don't lose your way. From the soil where the sugar once bled, now we plant new dreams where the old tears shed. Every root got a story to tell, from the burning sun to the freedom bell. Oh, the river still run, though the banks feel dry, and the truth still stand, though they tell you lie. You can hear it if you just stay still, in the heartbeat drum and the Zion will. Roots still calling, can you hear them cry? Through the wind and the rain, through the days gone by. Stand up strong, don't you pass it by. It's your name in the earth, it's your birthright. Roots still calling from the hill so high, to the drum and the chant, to the lullaby. Hold the faith, keep the fire inside, let it burn, let it guide your life. Youth man run, but him can't outrun truth. Fast lane life, take the strength of youth. Gold chain shine, but the soul feel cold. What good is silver if you lose your soul? Mama cry when the night get long, another son lost in a system wrong. But the elders' words still echo clear. Self-reliance conquer fear. Plant your food, speak your truth, know your roots, 'cause that's the proof. From the drumbeat rise a healing sound. Every broken spirit can be found in the chant where the voices blend. We begin where we once did end. Land is sacred, don't sell your ground. That's the crown where your strength is found. What we build with our own two hands, no storm nor time could ever disband. Roots still calling, can you hear them cry? Through the wind and the rain, through the days gone by. Stand up strong, don't you pass it by. It's your name in the earth, it's your birthright. Roots still calling from the hills so high, through the drum and the chant, through the lullaby. Hold the faith, keep the fire inside, let it burn, let it guide your life. Give thanks to the elders who walked before, guide the youth through every open door. In the soil, in the spirit, in all we do. Jah light shining, ever so bright, yeah. Through the darkness, reveal what is right. Oh yeah, Rastafari guide I and I. In these signs of time, I see the truth unfold. Stories of the meek never truly told. Babylon system try to steal we soul, but Jah love keep I grounded and whole. Walking through the fire, still I never burn. Every lesson in life is a chance to learn. From the hills to the valleys, hear the shepherd call. Stand firm in your faith, never stumble nor fall. These are the signs of time. Can you feel the call? Jah Jah guide I through it all. Keep your heart so pure, let your spirit climb. Live in love, these are the signs of time. These are the signs of time. Oh, oh, oh. Too much war and pain in this land. Still we rise with love, hand in hand. No matter what them say, no matter what them do, truth and righteousness will carry you through. Give thanks for the breath, give thanks for today. Every step you take, let Jah lead the way. No need for rush, just trust the design. Everything align in Jah perfect time. These are the signs of time. Can you feel the call? Jah Jah guide I through it all. Keep your heart so pure, see the light within. Cleanse your soul from all your sin. Redemption come when you let love in. That's where the healing begin. Love your present moment, don't dwell in the past. Life is like a river, always moving fast. Hold on to the faith when the road get rough. Jah never give you more than you can handle enough. Hear the drums beating like a heart so strong. Roots vibration keep we moving along. From Zion gates to the streets worldwide. Spiritual awakening we can't deny.